We'll guide you through how to create a poll on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and so you want to go and create a poll. A poll is a great way of seeing what people go and think of something. Perhaps you want to go and ask a question about their favorite thing or what they think looks better. We're going to guide you through this. There are different ways you can go and do it, so make sure it's full video and you can decide what way is going to work best for you. So let's go and dive straight into this. So the first way is me doing a poll on your Instagram story. So what you can do is you can go to the bottom right of Instagram and press your profile icon or the user icon to get your profile. Then you can go to the top left and you can press the plus and you can go and press story. Now what you can do is go and choose a photo you have in your gallery, or you can go and open up the camera and choose one now. So I could open up this here. Now what we need to do is go ahead to the top right and you can go and find the sticker button and you want to go and tap there. In here, you can then go and find the option for poll. You can search if you can't see it, but I can see it there. Then you can ask a question and you could put, do you like the sun? Then what you could do is go and add in yes, no, and you can add more options as well. I could add maybe, and you can actually go and change yes or no as well if you wanted to. I'll keep them, but you could go and add in customized options. You can press on the color option to go and choose the color of it as well. Then you can press done and you can click, hold and drag and put it where you want it. Add text you want to as well. And then when you're ready, you can press your story or close friends in the bottom. I'll go and put it on my story like so, and here it is. You can then come back here and view your story by clicking it on your profile, and you'll be able to go and swipe up when it's finished to go and see the results, as you can see. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go and do it in a main feed post as well. So what you can do is press your profile icon in the bottom right and then press the plus in the top left. Then you can go and select post, choose who you want to go and post and press next in the top right like so. And you can then go and add audio, text, overlays and more, then press next in the bottom right. Add your caption, and during the posting phase, you can go and find the option for poll. And what you can do is go and tap poll. Once again, you can go and add in the questions. Like I said, what's your favorite? And then what we can do is start filling in the different options. So we've got yes, no, and you can start adding more. Once again, you can go and choose these. So I could type in blue, green, yellow. And then what you can do is you can go and choose if you want to go and end the poll, just so then it will end. And I'll have it after 3 days. So I'll have that switched on. Then you can go and press OK, and we can go and press share. Then it will go and post. When it's posted, you can tap on it in your feed. Scroll down, press the comments button and see the poll here. You can go and vote, and you can go and view results by pressing view results and go and see them there.